Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to add chat to your OBS Studio. First go to your web browser, then go to Stream Elements. Then sign in using your YouTube or Twitch account. Then go to Dashboard. Now from the left menu, select Streaming Tools, then go to Overlays. Then click New Overlay. Now select 1080p resolution. Now go to Add Widget. Click Stream Tools, then go to your Stream Chat. This is the chat box. You can change the color. Then go to Position, Size and Style. Select the size of chat box. Then select the position where you want to. Then click Save. Give it any name. Then copy URL. Now go to OBS Studio. Then on Sources, click Add Source. Then click Browser. Click OK. Now paste that URL. Now select the resolution. Then click OK. You can see the chat box appears here. That's all. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.